I'm Nathan Mustrang. I've been farming for the past 4 years. I've been farming in high school. I produce cucumber, scallion, and thyme as my main crops. It's normally 3 months for scallion, it's 10 to 12 weeks, and cucumber, it's 6 weeks.
And how have you been handling the drought that we've been experiencing?
At the moment, the price is normally about 6 times higher than not what it normally be. So it's like the yielding is not changing. So you still can carry out the day-to-day activity, living, pay your bills, etc. In the drought period, I personally pay my bill for like anywhere from 15 to 30,000 a month. When the rain is on and off, anywhere from 8 to 9,000, 10,000.
I've been farming from about 15 years now. This parish is really good for scallion, thyme, tomato, sweet pepper, cucumber, cantaloupe. Basically almost everything. We just don't farm like potato. Because we land soil, work with them there.
What crops you say are going to be scarce for the season?
Like sweet pepper, tomato, melon, scallion, thyme, same way.
So I have to pay more for those things at the market come Christmas.
Yeah, basically.
You know about the cucumber right now, the cucumber, the gandong. The gandong that they can't pay about 40. But me know I will pay more to scallion. Scallion at $300 this week in the bed. But then now wait till it full to reap. First time they used to pull it, carry left piece and take out piece. No, you don't with. The man dry and the disease. The disease are walking at it. So the man see the price. I like that guy now, the man dry and ready. So he happy to work more and more. The sure scallion. Now come back now.
I would advise consumers to brace for an increase in price in the farm produces, as not only we are affected by drought, but other pests and diseases that is in the air.